Hello everyone. Today we are diving into a powerful combination of functions in Google Sheets, which is import range and query. So these functions allow you to import data from one Google Sheet to another and apply advanced filtering criteria. So whether you are managing sales figures or tracking expenses or analyzing survey results, mastering import range and query can greatly enhance your data manipulation capabilities. Let's get started. Let's look at the syntax of each of these functions. Before that, let's understand what each of these functions are meant for. So import range is used to import data from a specified range of cells in one Google Sheet to another, and this is the syntax for that. And query function, on the other hand, is used to query data in Google Sheets based on SQL like syntax, and this is the syntax for that. So let's use these functions with a practical example and see how this can be useful for us. So here in spreadsheet A, I have some data where you can see the date, salesperson, product, sales amount, etc. And let's say I want all that data from spreadsheet A to spreadsheet B, such that I only want data of uh, the salesperson where the sales amount is greater than or equal to 700. Okay, so let's see how to do that. So here what I'm going to do in the destination sheet, that is spreadsheet B, is I'm going to mention the function here. So I'll start with an is equal to sign, mention the word query here, open bracket, and then import range, open bracket, put an inverted comma, and copy this URL of the source sheet where the data is coming from, paste it here, close the inverted comma, put a comma, and then mention the sheet name, the exact sheet name from where the data is coming from, the source spreadsheet. So here in my case it is sheet 1, so I'm going to put inverted comma and say sheet 1, and then after that you'll have to put a exclamation mark here, and then after that mention the entire range from where the data is coming. So in my case it is all the way from cell A1 to cell D7, so I'm going to mention that A1 to D7, and after that put the inverted comma, close the bracket, and put a comma. And this is where I'm going to start the filtering criteria. If you remember, I told that I only want data where the sales amount is equal to or more than 700. So what I'm going to do for that is I'm going to put inverted comma and I'm going to say select, put a star mark here, and say where column 4. So column 4 is where the sales amount is, so I'm going to say column 4. Make sure the C is in uppercase, not in lowercase like this. It should be in uppercase. Put 4 here, column 4, and then greater than or is equal to 700. Close the inverted comma, put a comma after that, type number 1, close the bracket, and hit enter. You will see the data appearing here. So first time when you're applying this formula, Google Sheet may ask you to give permission to access the source sheet. So you might want to give that. And once that is done, you will have the data in the destination sheet as per your criteria. So to conclude, import range with query in Google Sheet is a very useful tool. It's used to import data dynamically between Google Sheets and apply advanced filtering using query. So if you found this video helpful, please do like and subscribe. Thanks a lot.